Gucci Westman. We're going to use number 4 on our lovely model, and I'm just going to show you how I would apply it. I'm putting a couple dabs, and we're just going to lightly just buff it into the skin. You don't need a lot of product underneath. You would just hydrate. This product has coconut oil, so it's going to give you a nice slip, and it's going to really hydrate. I like to use 2 colors like Gucci says, the lighter and the darker. This is number 4, and that's going to be on the outer rim of the skin. You can also use a brush. I do like the Chanel foundation buffing brush. If you are a brush girl, this works lovely. And you just want to kind of place it into the skin. And I can use your hands, of course, because your hands are the best tools around. So I'm using 3, as I said, in the inner, and the outer we're using number 4. I have to tell you, it's easy, ladies. It goes on effortlessly, as I said, the 3 E's. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use a little on her eyelid, and I'm gonna set it with her eyelid with a neutral color by Surratt. It's like an instant eye lift, and that is going to open up the eye, and she'll be voila. So stay tuned for the full results. Now we're gonna use Chamois by Surratt Beauty. It's an ivory color. I call it the instant eye lift. Since we're going for that beautiful, natural, flawless application of makeup today, I thought a nice instant eye lift. Ladies, go for a neutral ivory color, whatever is your flush tone color as your base color. It's gonna open up that eye. This is the Surratt Large Grande Shadow Brush. It fits the eye pocket so nicely. And voila, look at the application. Gucci Westman meets Surratt Beauty. They are friends, believe it or not. I believe these 2 lines should be besties. This highlight brush is going to accentuate my lovely model's fabulous cheekbones. A lot of my clients are wondering how to use this highlight product. If you have an amazing tool, it will give you this amazing glow, effortless. I like it because this will give you just a nice hint of radiance without it being too. So we're gonna use the Surratt sculpting brush, a perfect tool to use her Biscuit contour stick, because this sculpting brush is like an extension of your hand. It's gonna effortlessly buff this product out, and it'll give you that nice structured contour, subtle, approachable, wearable look. Day. Sculpting just really is meant to shade and give warmth to the skin. And this tool makes the Gucci Biscuit stick work perfect. My model is gorgeous. Ladies, I like to do little circle motions to get that nice definition, and it just buffs out effortlessly. I believe these tools are the best brushes I've ever used in my several years of career. I'm talking decades I've been in the business, and no one has got brushes down like Surratt Beauty. Gucci and Surratt. Now we're going to do the finishing steps. The Surratt loose powder in a lovely compact. The famous powder brush. I just like to set this product because this is a weightless, effortless powder. We're using more of the matte finish because we already have that glow, and it's not going to interfere with the product, but they work so nicely together.